Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you are following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there. Today we are going to talk about Andhra Pradesh Law CET 3-year law entrance exam. In this video we are going to discuss about the pattern of the exam, about the marks distribution. We are going to look into the books that you should use for preparing for this exam, which are the topics which are important and which should not be missed, and how you should cover everything we are going to talk about in this video. So let's get into the video. 45% marks at least are required in your graduation degree to be eligible. Okay, fine. And there is a 5% relaxation for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. 3% marks relaxation is there for backward classes in the qualifying exam, that is in graduation. If you belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category. Some things that you should know about the exam. Now, the age limit, they are saying that age on admission into law courses is subject to the rule position in vogue at the time of the admission. Okay, fine. So whenever you have to take the admission in whichever year, you have to check the prospectus of that year to check the age limit. If there is any, centers of entrance are going to be these which have been marked, right? And medium of entrance test is going to be English. Now English and Telugu versions are going to be there. Right, now let's see more about the exam. Total number of questions are going to be 120. Duration of the test is 90 minutes and maximum marks that you can score is 120 marks. So every question is of 1 mark each. Okay, marks distribution, which is another very important thing, that is 30 marks general knowledge and mental ability. Current affairs are for 30 marks and your aptitude for the study of law is for 60 marks, and these are the part A, B, C. Now, aptitude for the study of law is what we call legal aptitude. If you go to the market to buy material or books, you are going to hear the word legal aptitude more. How to prepare for this exam? We are going to see topics you need to cover from each subject, important topics, from where to cover. Free resources are included in the video, and we are also going to give you some bonus tips. For logical reasoning, you need to cover the topics like that of analogy series, odd one out, coding, decoding, blood relations, direction sense test, and the book from which you need to cover the same is Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. This is one of the best books. Now what you need to do is you need to solve every topic from this book and you need to practice. And also the tips that I want to give you is that whenever you find a trick to solve these questions, these are basically puzzle kind of questions. Whenever you find a trick, make a note of it in the book itself, and whenever you attempt a wrong question, again mark this question so that whenever you come back to the book and you have to revise, you just open up the trick section and your wrong questions or the questions that you think are difficult, you attempt them and you're done. You have revised the topic, right? Legal aptitude, the topics which I have underlined and are in bold, they are most important, so they should not be missed. Indian Constitution is very important. The book which you need to use for this is Universal's book. Now in Universal's book, you'll see that there is a good amount of explanation which is given, plus followed by a lot many MCQs, around 400 to 500. If you solve all of them, you are good to go with your Indian Constitution. Legal terms and maxims are another important topic which cannot be missed. I've done 2 very important videos. You'll find the link of those videos in the description box below. And again, Universal is the book from which you need to cover landmark judgments, important acts, legal GK committees, and International Court of Justice, one topic from where a lot many questions are asked. So Universal is a good book if you want to prepare for this exam. I'll leave the link to the book in the description box below. General knowledge. Now, general knowledge, as we know, can be divided into 2. You firstly need to cover current affairs and then you have your static GK. Now, let's see from which are the most important topics for current affairs. Obviously, international events, national events, defense and sports play a very important part when it comes to current affairs section. How you can cover it? You can either go for reading the newspapers. If you are not able to read the newspaper, I have done a video. You can look out for that video and see if that helps you in understanding the newspaper, or you can go for monthly current affairs magazines for covering these your current affairs. You can go for Pratigvita, news and events, or even the annual editions. Okay, now for static GK, you need to cover international organizations, which are again very important, science, geography is very important organizations in India, books, famous books, the author of the famous books you should know, important dates, sports facts about Andhra Pradesh. All these topics you need to cover. Please make a note of these topics and also buy the correct book. If you feel like that you already have a book and you want to discuss with me that which books you should buy, you can DM me on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am लॉगरी। बाय। लगी तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं लॉगरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप जरूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLoggery के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।